This is a 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a sunroof, dual power seats, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a double wishbone independent front suspension, alloy wheels, dusk sensing headlights, heater vents for rear-seated passengers, and this vehicle has fewer than 63,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Stivers Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4000 Eastern Bypass in Montgomery.